This is my first time out, man, in like 3 weeks. This is great. Got my little dog here. Come on, Boo. Well, it's nice out here, isn't it?
Beautiful day today.
Loving it. What do you got there?
I got a Mother Nature snack.
Those red buds?
Oh.
Good job, man.
Sweeter than honey, honey.
Come on. This is great, man. It's beautiful in there.
Beautiful.
Come on, Boo. I'm coming. Man, I love it out here. I know, he sounds cool. I know, he likes to go, go, go. Come on, Boo. Come on, Boo Boo.
Oh, he may need to go to the potty.
You need to go to the potty?
He might need to.
Come on. Come on. I love it.
Oh, this is a big hill we got here.
Oh, is it? Cool. This red bud.
Yum, bud.
Wild food, boys.
Snack trail mix.
One of my favorite little
It's snack trail mix.
wilderness treats.
You hear me?
It's trail snack.
Snack trail mix.
That is awesome. That dog, man, he's just like Daddy, boy. He loves the woods.
Go, go, go.
He loves the
He
woods.
doesn't know slow.
He's just like
Slow
Daddy.
is not in his vocabulary.
Look how beautiful these red buds make the woods look. It's just like a splash of paint, man, in the picture. It's so gorgeous. Come on, Boo. And we're loving it. Come on, boy. Got the river down there? Man, you guys got it going on. Look at that.
Yeah.
Taking you a little wilderness break.
Yeah.
Look at that scene. That is gorgeous. How you doing, Scamp?
If he needs a drink, you think he needs a drink, Daddy?
Yeah, we need to give him a drink.
Let's get him a drink. Not getting very much at a time. But
No. You doing it though. Good boy. Come on, Boo Boo.
We're taking a lake, Daddy.
What are you doing?
He doesn't have anything, but he's doing a dry run.
Okay. A dry run. Man, this is so therapeutic. Hey, we got a main trail over here, babe. It's concrete. Yeah, we found it.